very sorry about this. हमारे technical difficulties they are continuing, so maybe we can recommence our discussion. मैंने अपना view पहले दे दिया आपको, ठीक है? What I believe in कि अगर हमारे पास if a man or a woman for that matter believe so strongly in their principles, in their values, then fine. मेरा ख्याल है कि they shouldn't let other people suffer because of their beliefs and their values. Or that's what's happened in the circumstances that we've heard about Habib Jalib Sahab. उनके बच्चों के साथ जो हो रहा है. Do you think it's justified? Only because he believed that he's not supposed to take other people's money for whatever reasons. Then go do a job. कोई काम कर ले आप. Why do you have to rely on your poetry and on your writing like that? So that's what I believe. मुझे पता है कि आप लोगों को बुरा लग रहा होगा, लेकिन आप कैसे justify कर रहे हैं कि उनके बच्चे इस तरह से सफर कर रहे हैं आप?
You have a point because he's embedded in his poetry, and his focus is just his poetry. He's neglecting his family, and you need to think carefully. You need to bring up the family. You need to look after the wife, or if it's the wife that's embedded within her own passion, she needs to look after the home. And
I personally don't think that he had a right to do that. Like it's.
कंट्रोवर्शियल होता जा रहा है, इसको अब खत्म कर दें.
मैं उसको सिर्फ हाइंडसाइट में
इसको खत्म कर दें. स्टॉप.
मौका
नहीं, लेकिन देखिए, I don't think there's anything wrong with that, discussing.
Your profession.
हाँ जी, sorry. नहीं, हमने मिशन के बारे में आज बताइए. बताइए.
देखिए आज जो आप जालिब साहब के लिए बैठे हुए हैं,
हाँ जी,
वो इसीलिए बैठे हैं कि जालिब ने सफर. अगर जालिब साहब इधर उधर होते, नाम ही कोई बगैर मुशक्कत 100 बार जब